Welcome back to Car Route 360. Today we present the breathtaking 2026 Phantom X, a one-of-a-kind custom masterpiece that fuses timeless elegance with raw, untamed performance. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Phantom X is its commanding presence. Its sweeping fenders, long sculpted hood, and two-tone finish of deep burgundy and polished silver instantly make it stand out as more than just a car. It's a moving piece of art. Inspired by the Art Deco era yet powered by modern engineering, this machine sits low and wide, a statement of dominance and design perfection. Front and center, the polished chrome supercharger rises proudly above the hood, an unmistakable symbol of power and aggression. This is not a show ornament. It's the beating heart of the Phantom X 2026, built to deliver horsepower that matches its intimidating looks. The vertical chrome grille, twin round headlights, and sweeping curves connect to the spirit of vintage classics, but the oversized wheels, chrome exhaust pipes, and flawless stance firmly rooted in the present. Every angle, every surface, every detail is a showcase of passion and craftsmanship. Stepping inside the 2026 Phantom X is like entering a world of vintage luxury infused with precision engineering. The cabin is wrapped in burgundy leather, soft yet commanding, matched with hand-polished wood trim that stretches gracefully across the dashboard. Classic chrome ring gauges reflect the golden age of motoring, keeping the driver closely connected to the roaring engine. A wood-rimmed three-spoke steering wheel stands as a symbol of control, while the gear shifter invites a mechanical connection to the car. Unlike modern cars overloaded with screens and buttons, this interior reminds you that driving is meant to be a pure and personal experience. From its aerodynamic curves to its thunderous performance, the 2026 Phantom X is not just transportation, it's an icon. A machine designed to turn heads, capture hearts, and ignite the soul of anyone who loves cars. It brings together history and innovation, beauty and muscle, elegance and aggression. This isn't just a car. It's a story on wheels, a celebration of speed and style that defines what the year 2026 has to offer for enthusiasts worldwide.